What's up, YouTube? I know I've been out and missing for like a month. I look really crazy because I just have foundation and eyebrows today, but I just wanted to do this quick video so I can use my brushes. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I do to get creams and gels off your brushes. Okay, so here I have these 3 brushes. I use these for eyeliner, and I use the angled MAC one from time to time for my eyebrows, but obviously the last time I used it, it looks like I used it for eyeliner, probably because these 2 were dirty. So they're a bit cracked because I've been washing them off, which is super gross. They're all crazy and cracked looking except the MAC one, so I guess it's maybe better quality because they've been put aside for a while together. See, this one's cracked and this one cracked everywhere too. Just waiting for me to wash them. I haven't been using them dirty, but I had them put aside because I wanted to make this video. So without further ado, this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? That just happened from the angle out brush. So that sucks. It's just falling apart. I'm glad I'm doing this today because they obviously couldn't hold off any longer. Okay, so what you'll need. Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. This is what I use. This is it. This is the secret. I love this stuff. It removes my makeup and it removes makeup off my small brushes. What I do is take a little bit of my cleanser and rub it on the palm of my hand, and then I take my brushes and I'll just put them there. And I don't do this with all of my brushes. I only do this with the ones I use for liner and for any kind of pomade, gel, cream kind of makeup. I've removed it enough that I'm gonna go in with soap in just a little bit. This leaves your brushes like new. So it's really a nice little hack that I discovered one day. Sometimes you're lazy and you don't clean them right away and it ends up traumatizing the brush. So I'm gonna wash this off and then I'm gonna they look crazy. They still look pretty dirty, but we're about to completely clean them off as soon as I'm done washing my hand. I'm going to use this small jar, and I'm just going to use this to put water in for my brushes since I'm about to clean them. I got this from Michael's, and it's a really nice size to use for like when I make homemade masks and stuff, and I just need them to last a week and refrigerate them or whatever. Since they're made at home, they're organic, so I just use and reuse this. I'm just gonna put some warm water in here. So there we go. Taking my Sigma mat and placing it in my sink. And last but not least, I'm taking this soap. And this one's kind of a newer one, so it says Ivory. You can see the kind of soap I use. It's whatever soap, and it still cleans my brushes really nice. So I'm just gonna dip my brush into the water here, and I'm just gonna clean them like the rest of my brushes. This is how I clean all my other brushes. Okay, now for the final result. Here are my brushes. You can see the original bristle colors on all of them, that the BH Cosmetics is like white and black. and the other two are actually brown. Oops. And you can see that the other two are actually brown bristles. So yeah, so that's all on this video. I'm holding the camera and hopefully it won't be all shaky, but I hope you found this video helpful and that you try it. Please like and subscribe, share with a friend if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.